Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the most important topic in physics, that's called electricity. Now, basically, what is electricity? Today we are going to learn deeply about it. So let's start. So actually, if we talk about electricity, this word is actually made up of two different words. One called electric and city. Electric is related to actually electrons, okay, in general term, okay, and city we can consider flow. So flow of electron, it is called electricity. But people might get confused actually, like the difference between electricity and electric current. So people get confused with this. Now what are these two different things that we are going to learn one by one? Take a deep look at the conductors. Now in a conductor actually it's a material, okay, it's a material like this ultra, okay, it's a kind of wire. We in science we call it conductor. So conductor conducts electricity, okay. So what conductor is? Conductor example, we have different types of conductor. We have here example, the best conductor as copper. So copper is a conductor. So consider this is a copper wire, okay, it's a copper wire that we use at our home, okay. Now copper wire, if we zoom it, we will get many small atoms, okay. So when we'll get these small atoms, and if we zoom those small atoms, we will come to this image, okay. So this is an atom and it's a copper atom. So if you can see in this copper atom, there are electrons which are flowing, and if you observe this one electron is moving in the outer shell, okay. So electron which is moving outer shell, definitely it is not having more attraction with the nucleus. It means that it can easily be lost, and that's what happens. So whenever we are supplying some sort of energy, these electrons absorb those energy and started to move on from one atom to another atom. Whenever a charge of opposite charges come in contact or come near to each other, how the electron flow in the opposite direction, and that's what happened when we connect to a battery. So when we connect a conductor or a circuit to a battery, you can see over here how the electrons are moving in one direction, unidirectional. And over here we will see that what is the electron current versus what is conventional current, okay. Now consider in a circuit. So whenever in a circuit electric current is like potential difference is there and current is flowing through it, actually in the circuit, if we see, consider this is a circuit what I'm drawing over here, okay, a simple circuit over here, okay. Now generally we have the thinking that we know that the electric current flows from positive end to the negative end, right? But in reality we have electrons which are flowing in this direction in reality. But why do we call the electric current is flowing from positive to the negative? Yeah, why we call it? Because when the electricity was invented, that time there were no such things known as electrons. Electrons were discovered later, right? So by that time we are calling it as conventional current. So in reality electrons flow from negative side of a battery to the positive side of the battery. But conventionally we say that electric current, okay, electric current flows from positive side of the battery to the negative side of the battery, and this is the what we should know. So if we see that how the conventional current flow and electric current flow, so this is the representation. In this video you can see that the electron current, that is electric current, in reality it is moving from negative to positive. That is the electric current where electron flows. But as I mentioned before, there were no such thing known as electron before, so we thought it as a conventional current, an assumed current, which is from positive side of the battery to the negative side of the battery through a conductor. So in this video we have learned about what is electricity. Electricity, remember, it's a phenomena. And what is electric current, and what is a conventional current. Okay, in this video we have covered these three topics. For more information, we are going to go through all the details in the coming video, so stay tuned, stay connected, and most importantly, when you are watching these videos, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.